Hi, I'm Vera, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the derivative using the quotient rule. Suppose you have a fraction f of x over g of x. Now, you should put the apostrophe sign to denote that you are looking for the derivative. So, how do we find the derivative of f of x over g of x? First, you got to get the bottom part, which is g of x. That would be here. G of x multiplied to the derivative of the upper part, which is f of x. So the derivative of the upper part is f prime of x. I'm going to put it there. Minus the upper part, f of x, there, multiplied to the derivative of the bottom part, which is g of x. So the derivative of the bottom part is g prime of x, there, all over the bottom part squared. So what's the bottom part? G of x squared. I know you're all confused with all the x and the g's and the f's. So I'm very thankful to our teacher who taught us a mnemonic device so we could easily remember the formula. So she taught us u over v. So how are we going to use this u over v? It's exactly the same with the f of x over g of x, only you're only using less letters. So first, how do we get the derivative using this formula? First, you got to get the bottom part, v. So there's the v. Then the derivative of the upper part, that's u. So du, d being the derivative of u. So du for derivative of u minus the upper part u multiplied to the derivative of v, there, the v, all over the bottom part squared, the letter v, so that's going to be v squared. Now, let's get to the example. Suppose you have a function y equals x squared plus 1 over x to the fifth plus x. Now, we're going to look for the y prime. So, for me, it's easier to use u over v. So we're going to use u over v for this tutorial. So first, you got to get the v. As you have seen in the formula, v. So here's the v, because this is u. Then this is v. Then v, x to the fifth plus x. And you're going to write it here. And then, on the formula, you can see derivative of u. So here's the u. What's the derivative of u? What's the derivative of x squared plus 1? That would be 2x. So you're going to write 2x minus u. So here's the u, x squared plus 1. You're going to write it here. Then derivative of v. What's the derivative of x to the fifth plus x? That would be 5x to the fourth plus 1 all over v squared. So here's the v, x to the fifth plus x. You're going to write it there, and you're going to put the square. So the derivative of y would be x to the fifth plus x multiplied to 2x minus x squared plus 1 multiplied to 5x to the fourth plus 1 all over x to the fifth plus x squared. That would be the derivative of y. That's all. I hope you all understood my discussion. Thanks for watching.